Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting, and today I have a setup video for you. So for this month of June 2024, I'm going through Mind Games. This is the newest kit from By the Well for God. I will leave links down below to it. But anyways, I am working through this kit, but I also have a super busy month with some travel in there. And so I'm planning on working in this traveler's notebook. Now, usually I will work the whole kit through my interleaved Bible right here. I love this ESV Crossway interleaved Bible. Love this thing so much. But anyways, usually I work through that. But this month I'm going to primarily focus on some notes and personal study through this devotional. I do still plan on doing one or two Bible pages of journaling. So I have a couple of videos over on YouTube for that, including the hubby dubs. I know so many of you love those hubby dubs where our husbands do the voiceovers. So I will still have those videos this month of me creatively working in my Bible. But this month we're going to pretty up some notes. So I have all these stickers that either come with the kit or are available as an add-on, and I am going to make some pretty notes, do some good studying, maybe some word studies as well. I also have this gathering box, so I've put one of the clear stickies in here on a piece of paper for Mind Games, and I have all my little flashcards and journaling cards all set in here, so I make sure not to forget to use those on that day. So today I'm just gonna set this up, put some of the title starters down with the stickers that are available, make a cover, and then I might use these. We'll kind of see how it goes and to number those days. So yeah, just enjoy this. I will put you on fast forward now as I set up this month's TN. So I've decided to use this blue TN because it's a little bit more simple than the floral one I had. And I am going to embellish the cover a little bit with a couple of ephemera pieces and also some paper. I really like this Mind Games sticker, so I know what kit I worked on in this TN. And I'm going to back it with this floral piece. It is a really busy floral paper, but I think just as a background behind this Mind Games title, I think it goes really well and adds some pops of color and also matches the headband on the girl. So now I'm trying to figure out what I want to layer behind this. I'm going through basically all the ephemera pieces that I have in this photo box, and I ultimately decide on one of the Monopoly cards and a little bit of florals on the bottom left hand corner. So I will put those on with my Barely Arts glue. I'm going to make sure I put a lot of glue down on there just to make sure that it stays, and I'm going to hold it with my hand a little bit. I also trimmed out this floral piece because I want to make sure to use the other side if I can. I'm looking right now to see if I can use it on this front cover, but ultimately decide against that. And I'm just gonna paste this down. And then I like this little pop of pink because I have so much pink in the cover. And so I'm going to add that to the top of my TN. I'm just gonna tie it a little bit differently. And there we go. I'll add that to the top eventually. So now I'm going to take out these clear stickers. I have a domino set that signifies what day I'm working on. If you count the dots on there, it says, you know, it coordinates with the day of the devotional. And so I'm putting those on the left hand side and then also putting those title starters down. And so some of these aren't going to fit the title starters all the way across because I am putting that domino there. So I take out my new micro snips from Tim Holtz. I really enjoy these. They are super sharp and I've worked wonders. And so I'm taking those out and trimming these titles just a little bit down. I won't make you sit through all of these and see me put them on all the pages, but just know that I am keeping with the theme and kind of keeping on putting those dominoes down and then also the title starter. So I'll do that days 1 through 14. Luckily, this book has 2 extra kind of spreads to work on, or one sheet in the front of the book and then a whole spread and another half sheet in the back. As you can see here, I found out my daughter, probably my 5-year-old, I hope it's my 5-year-old, went into this notebook and already colored, but luckily it's on that back sheet. So I'm just gonna choose to move on. It's a little pretty drawing she drew of a line. I don't know. I was wondering why the book wasn't closing as well, and that's probably because, you know, she was drawing in it and having some fun. So now I'm working on putting just a couple of these pages together to show you how I put them together before I take my notes. A lot of times I will put those flashcards down and any verse cards that I have that correspond with that day. I am separating my stickers now into functional and letters and then the pretty stuff. Don't forget you also have these stamps that coordinate with the days of the devotional. So I'm setting this all up for what I think is day 1. But if you see in that top left-hand corner, it is actually day 2. And I realized that pretty quickly. So I am coming in and I'm like, oh no, I flipped to day 2 and not day 1. So I'm peeling these off and I'm super worried about peeling the whole paper because they have been sitting for a little bit of time and they don't look pretty, but I'm gonna just cover them up with the flashcards actually for day 2. I'm gonna put those down and then I'm going to make the paper sturdy again by going back to day 1 and making sure that I have my flashcard on that spot that I ripped up the paper from before, and I'll do that on day 3 eventually when I get there as well. So it's okay, we all make mistakes actually, even when you're videoing. So this is just one of those things. I was a little caught off guard because of my daughter's drawing in the back, and I was also dealing with kids playing outside, so it just happened. So now we're going to decorate day 1 actually and use this little washi strip in 2 different places. Now I will embellish these pages a lot more as I use and write notes in them. You'll have a lot of, you know, markings and it'll just look a lot more pretty. I can also add some die cuts in here as well. Here I found out that one of those stamps actually goes along with day 2, so I add that in as well as this silhouette. And then you'll probably see a lot of reels this month of me taking notes. And then don't forget, you will also see me on YouTube doing some process videos for this study, but it'll probably be 1 or 2. Now this page in the front, I'm deciding to do the introduction, kind of add maybe the prayer that Judy wrote or something in there. So that is why I'm adding a little bit of ephemera there. And guys, this is done. This is set up for the month. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. I hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.